So we are going to take this curved edge and we're going to just start slowly on the hamstring muscles. That's called the semimembranosus muscle and semitendinosus muscle. Semimembranosus muscle comes down here along the side of the tail, right here, and then the semitendinosus follows it, right on this side. So we're just going to go slowly down. I do light to medium pressure, depending on the horse. If they're really ouchy, you're going to notice, okay, need to calm down here. Okay, so he's not too bad. I'm going to take it. I'm going to slowly come down here. And then I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to switch them so then I can kind of press down. You see how I switched it? And I press down. And if the horse is very tender, you're going to see the muscles quiver. And you might also find some crunchiness, especially down here. We really just want to find that fascia and just release that area. Because if you have that tension buildup in those hocks, you're going to have a lot more issues and probably have to get some injections, or a massage therapist can really help release that area because those muscles in the legs are so important. And again, be really safe when you're behind the horse. I know him, I'm paying attention, and that's why I can do this, but be very aware. If you need to step to the side, you can just go down like this. It's just a little bit harder on your hands, so just be aware of it. As part of a little bonus thing, I do like to do this with my horses to help with the hamstrings. You can take your hand and you can lift it and put your thumb right here. I don't know if you can see that. So right here, and just press in. And you press it for a good 10, 15 seconds. A lot of times that helps release those tender hamstring muscles. And then I release. And then I can take my hands in and do the same thing and pull towards me on that semimembranosus muscle. And I just kind of watch. You're pulling maybe a little bit medium pressure. Now he's not tender back here. So if you have a horse that's really tender, you're going to notice, okay, be a lot more wary. But it really does help release those muscles. So in conclusion of the hind end muscles, we are going to finish up with releasing the biceps femoris. So again, that short edge can just kind of come along here. There we go. You can also do the rounded edge and really just get in there into those muscles. I love this tool because you can provide so much relief very quickly. And then now you have a tutorial. As a wrap up, this is Mel Hitchcock with Mel's Equestrian Services. You can find me at Mel's Equestrian Services on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. I also have a website, melsequestrianservices.com. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial, and I look forward to serving you. I look forward to serving you in the future, and I hope you have a wonderful day.